Where are you going? I am going to market. Where are you going? I am going to market. How is the weather? It's raining. How is the weather? It's raining. What are you doing? I am playing. What are you doing? I am playing. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Are you upset? Yes, I am upset. Are you upset? Yes, I am upset. What are you doing? I am studying. What are you doing? I am studying. Why are you late? I got stuck in the traffic. Why are you late? I got stuck in the traffic. How does it taste? It's delicious. How does it taste? It's delicious. What time is it? It's 4 p.m. What time is it? It's 4 p.m. Who are they? They are my siblings. Who are they? They are my siblings. What is this? This is a smartwatch. What is this? This is a smartwatch. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Which day is today? Today is Monday. Which day is today? Today is Monday. Whose is it? It's mine. Whose is it? It's mine. What color is this? This is pink color. What color is this? This is pink color. What are you doing? I am writing a letter. What are you doing? I am writing a letter. Do you agree? Yes, I do. Do you agree? Yes, I do. Which one do you want? I want chocolate ice cream. Which one do you want? I want chocolate ice cream. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. What are you doing? I am playing with my toy. What are you doing? I am playing with my toy. Whose idea is this? It's my idea. Whose idea is this? It's my idea. What did you buy? I bought a hat. What did you buy? I bought a hat. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you from India? Yes, I am from India. Are you from India? Yes, I am from India. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. Why are you late? I missed my bus. Why are you late? I missed my bus. Who is he? He is my grandfather. Who is he? He is my grandfather. When will they come? They will come at 4 p.m. When will they come? They will come at 4 p.m. Can you bake cookies? Yes, I can bake cookies. Can you bake cookies? Yes, I can bake cookies. What are you eating? I am eating pizza. What are you eating? I am eating pizza. What are they playing? They are playing badminton. What are they playing? They are playing badminton. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lisa. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lisa. What are you doing? I am coloring the picture. What are you doing? I am coloring the picture. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. Did you understand? No, I didn't understand. Did you understand? No, I didn't understand. Where is your school? My school is near my house. Where is your school? My school is near my house. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is hide and seek. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is hide and seek. What's in your hand? It's a juice. What's in your hand? It's a juice. What are you holding? I am holding a bottle. What are you holding? I am holding a bottle. Where are your shoes? My shoes are in the closet. Where are your shoes? My shoes are in the closet. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. How old are you? I am 29 years old. How old are you? I am 29 years old. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is noodles. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is noodles.